Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix issues with content you bought through the PlayStation 4 store. Maybe you have a giant lock symbol next to the game or the application. So what you want to do is go up to the top, go to Settings, and then go to Account Management, and then go on down to Restore Licenses and try this first. If you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Just go to where it says Restore Licenses on the bottom, and you can go ahead and fix that. Now, another reason why this might be happening is because you lost your internet connection and you never set your PS4 as primary. So you want to go up to where it says Activate as your PS4, and then go to Activate. Now, you can only have one PS4 activated at one time, and this will allow you to play your PS4 offline and also share your games and PS Plus with every other account on your PS4. So make sure you have it activated on the top right there. Then also check your internet connection. Maybe you have an issue with your internet connection and that's why you're not able to jump online. Another thing that you could try is restarting your PS4. It's pretty basic, but maybe there's just an issue with your account. Try turning it off, restart it, log out. Then also you have the option to sign out of your account. You're going to have to sign back in with your email address and password. And that has fixed some issues for me in the past, just related to things not being synced correctly, just signing out and re-signing back in. So go ahead and try these like 3 or 4 different options I showed you. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.